Namaste. Hope all are doing well. Welcome to the final round of All India Online Dance Fest Season 2, organized by Sri Mookambika College of Finance, Thrissur, Kerala. Congratulations to all the finalists. Around 40 contestants from different states have moved on to the final round. All the viewers and judges together will decide the winners in this final round also. Out of a total of 150 marks, 100 is for performance, 10 for makeup and 10 for costumes. Remaining 30 is for the number of likes one earns for their video in the YouTube channel of Mookambika. Our sincere thanks to Dr. Lima Rose Trucchi, head of the panel of judges, Sri Suresh TV and Srimati Radhika Suresh, who have sponsored the prizes. We also thank all the contestants who are performing very well, their teachers who have trained them, the supporting parents, friends and the encouraging viewers. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Our best wishes to all the smart participants. Watch this performance and if you like it, please help the contestants to win by pressing the like button.
I'm Harshita Pallavi Sahu, disciple of Guru Shri Srimant Kumar Mishra. Today I'm going to perform Aigiri Nandi. This is the stota of Goddess Durga, written by Guru Adi Shankaracharya. This stota describes the goddess who killed demon Mahishasura. The 10 arms of the deity symbolize that she protects her devotees from all the directions, namely the 8 corners and from the sky and the earth. The 10 hands of Goddess Durga hold in them a conch, lotus, sword, bow with arrow, trishul, snake, thunderbolt and flame. Ma Durga carries these 10 powerful weapons and sits on the king of all animals, lion, to go to the battle against evil. I hope you all enjoy my performance. Thank you.
त्रिविध कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते सुरवर दुर्धर दर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवन पोषिणि शंकर कोशिणि निर्विषमोषिणि घोषयते गणुज निरोषिणि ऋतिसुतिरोषिणि दुर्मद शोषिणि सिन्धुसुते शरणागत वैरि वधूवर वीरबरा भयदान करे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधि शिरोधि पितामल शूल करे दुनि दुनि तामर तुंदुभि नाद महोमुख रेत तिष्ठिग्म करे जय जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्पर विश्वन्ते धन धन भिन्न भूत मुकुर सृजित मोहित भूत पटे नटित नटाघ नटी नट नायक नटित नटाघ नटी नट नायक नाटित नाट्य सुगान रते दीन दयालु तया कृति त्वया भवितव्य मुने अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथानुशासिरते यदुचित मात्र भवद्दुररि कुरुता दुरुताम पपा कुरुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते